Established in 2013, Hongyuan Dispensing Pump Co., Limited, is headquartered in Chaoyang District, Shantou City, Guangdong Province, and a sprawling factory spanning over 30,000 square meters. We are a robust manufacturing enterprise specializing in diversified process products. Our extensive product range includes lotion pumps, spray pumps, and a variety of plastic pump heads for cleaning and daily chemical applications, as well as plastic caps, pay and pet bottles. We possess significant advantages and strong core competitiveness. In terms of production capacity, we operate over 200 advanced injection molding machines and highly efficient automated pump assembly lines, achieving a daily output of 2.0 million units to meet large-scale market demands promptly. In R&D, we boast strong development capabilities, featuring an independent and fully equipped mold workshop with state-of-the-art mold processing machinery, enabling rapid response to market needs and new product development. Our team of skilled technical professionals is dedicated to cutting-edge product innovation, ensuring our offerings remain competitive. Moreover, our products meet stringent quality standards, backed by 16 national patents, ISO 9001 to 2016 International Quality Management System certification, and SGS certification. We hold an export commodity brand certificate, further solidifying our commitment to quality. Quality control is embedded in every stage, from raw material procurement to production processes, ensuring that every product meets high standards. This unwavering commitment to customers and quality forms the core of our corporate culture, driving our team to continuous excellence.